Hi, my name is Brian Hoffman with MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey, and we're going to cruise through our recently traded 2016 Sea Ray L590. A great place to start are the engines, and this yacht has plenty of them. With triple Cummins QSC 8.3600s and Zeus pod drives, this L590's top end will be 37 to 38 miles per hour. Let's take a look inside. The full beam owner's cabin not only offers the finishes Sea Ray's L class is known for, it also delivers full height standing room and total access to the bed, so no one is disturbed if you want to get up for some late night stargazing. In addition, to port you have a vanity with waterline views. And to starboard, designer built-in closets, with storage for even the most curated wardrobe. As we move to the private Ensuite, there's a separated vanity and shower, so everyone has their own space when getting ready for a night on the town. And what good is a yacht like this if you can't share it? In the VIP suite, your guests will enjoy their own private space, filled with ambient light, full closets, and a shared ensuite with glass door shower. Let's not forget about that third stateroom, with additional closet space and even a washer and dryer, so there's always fresh towels available. Let's take a look upstairs. At the helm of this powerful vessel, you'll find two full captain's chairs with fold-down armrests, joystick piloting, twin touchscreen multifunction displays, which are equipped with GPS, radar, engine diagnostics, and even FLIR thermal camera. To port, there's a full galley, which includes two stainless refrigerators, as well as freezers, a cooktop which sits on top of the beautiful stone countertop, and even a deep well sink. Directly across from the galley is a salon dining area, equipped with a wonderfully finished teak table that folds for very easy access to all seating. It's easy to see why the L-Class stands apart from the rest. With hardwood backsplashes, under-counter lighting, and custom leather-wrapped door catches, luxury surrounds you. And if entertaining is your game, then take a look at the size of the main salon, with comfortable seating for 10, which even transitions into the cockpit seating, where you'll find an outdoor galley that includes a stainless fridge, sink, and grill. There's ample room and plenty of capability for a docktail party of 20 plus. Now what good is a boat if it can't get you to the water? In the stern, you'll find an enormous hydraulic swim platform that's perfect for setting up a beach chair in the water or even bringing your favorite jet ski along for the many adventures that await. Thank you for walking through our recently traded 2016 L590. If you're looking to take your yacht game to the next level, give us a call for your private tour at our marina in Somers Point, New Jersey. 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you out on the water.